Damn, it feel good to see people up on it.
And you say New York City?
Damn, it feel good to see people up on
They
it.
on it.
Damn, it feel good to see people up on it.
Hey, what's going on? This is OD. I'm back with another video. Today I got a little Christmas gift. We're gonna crack this thing open, see what it look like, see what's in here. Alright, let's see. What the hell is this? Alright. Hulk smash. What the? Alright, let's turn this thing around, see what's going on. Wow. So this is the Avengers Hulk remote control car. And wow. I don't know. I'm a big Hulk fan, so I really don't know. Let me see the back. Seems like he flips, spins, and smash. Alright. Can't wait to, get this thing open. See this in front. Seems like his arm is detached back there, but yeah. Alright. I guess let's crack this thing open and see what it comes with. Be right back. Alright. So as you can see here, you got the remote. Nice funny remote, boomerang shape. Had a little wire connected from the remote to the car for the Try Me. And yeah. Here's the car itself with Hulk on top. Seems like he smashed into one of the enemy's vehicles. Hydra. You have to put the batteries at the bottom. Got the switch. It also seems you put batteries at the back. This thing's gonna take a lot of batteries. Hulk on the license plates. Confiscated the vehicle. Side wheels. Alright. This car looks good. Well, that's it for my unboxing. You have a great day. Like and subscribe.